Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Aradhya Swapnilgiri Gosavi, today here to lead today's morning assembly by Vasishtha House. Our life is incomplete without everyday learning. Now it's time to learn a new word, that is vocabulary. So to tell today's vocabulary of the day, I would like to call Shri Suryavanshi from grade 7.
Good morning all. My name is Shraddha. I am going to present vocabulary. My word is spartan. I will spread my word. S-P-A-R-T-O-N. Spartan. It means not comfortable or luxurious. Sentence. In India it is very hard for the middle class people to live a spartan life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Shreyash. Idioms make our language more beautiful and more attractive. So to tell today's idiom, I would like to call Viraj Rathi from grade 6.
Good morning everyone. Myself Viraj Rathi from grade 6. Today I am here to tell today's idiom of the day. Today's idiom of the day is safe and sound. It means safely. Sentence. After 10 days the space mission arrived at its destination safe and sound. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Viraj. Now it's time to wrap up our assembly. So I announce that our today's assembly is over.